Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a dashboard in Adobe XD. First, clearly define your dashboard's purpose and the key metrics it will display. Consider your target audience and their specific information requirements. Then, set up your artboard with suitable dimensions, perhaps 1920 by 1080 pixels for a desktop view, ensuring it accommodates various screen sizes. Next, establish a robust grid system to maintain consistent spacing and alignment across your dashboard. Design reusable user interface components such as data cards, interactive charts, and navigation menus. Prioritize information hierarchy by using visual weight, like larger fonts for key data, and strategic placement to guide the user's eye effectively. Now, focus on data visualization. Select appropriate chart types, such as bar graphs for comparisons or line charts for trends, to effectively represent your data. Use consistent color palettes, perhaps 3 to 5 primary colors, to clearly differentiate data categories. Implement basic interactive elements like hover states and clickable areas to enhance user engagement. Finally, bring your design to life by connecting artboards to create a fully clickable prototype of your dashboard. Share this prototype with a small group of target users to gather valuable feedback on usability and clarity. Iterate on your design based on these user testing insights, making necessary adjustments for continuous improvement and a polished final product.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.